So once you have requested app publication from your Joomla backend or WordPress backend, then it may take us a day to compile your app, and then we upload the compiled app into your Apple developers account. So once the upload is completed, this is what you will see. Once you log into appstoreconnect.apple.com, and then you can go to my apps, and here my apps, and then you will see the name of your app, and this says prepare for submission. So you click on this, and then you get this screen, and you need to fill in all the required information here. So here goes the name of your app. Make sure it's the same as you entered in your Joomla or WordPress during the development. And then this is the optional field. This is optional field. So for the optional fields, you can leave those blank. And here you need to select the primary category of your app. Secondary is again optional, so you can skip that. And that's all for this app information page. And once you have filled in all the information, you need to save this, and then you need to go to pricing and availability. So for the pricing and availability page, here you need to select the price of your app. Most of the cases you just want it to be free, so you select that, and the rest are you can leave it as default, but of course if you want to change it, you can change it based on your requirements. So once you have done this, you can save this page as well, and then you need to go to this page, prepare for submission. On that page you will get this screen, and here you need to upload the screenshots for these devices. Again, this is the optional. If you want to escape, you can just escape this and click on this, and then you need to upload the screenshot of your app for this device as well as for this device. You can upload using this option here. So once you have uploaded the screenshots, you need to enter the promotional text for your app, and then the full description with with the features of the app. This is basically what displays on the App Store. So you need to enter promotional text and description, and the keywords, the support URL, maybe it's a contact us form or a support form on your website, and you need to enter that URL here. And again, this is optional, so you can skip that. And then you need to select a version of your app. So you click on this, and then it will give you a pop-up, and then you can select a version of your app. In most of the cases it's version 1.0, so you just select that. And then here for App Store icon, here you need to select the icon for your app. It requires a PNG file with no transparent background. So for this you need to choose that kind of PNG file. And then this copyright. Now as you can see, there's a question mark for each of these fields. So when you click on this, it will give you some information about the type of content. So for example, this copyright, it suggests it needs to be in this format. So you enter the copyright information here, and then you enter all your information here, first name, last name, and address, and phone number, and email address. So you provide all this information, and the contact information is basically your information. and then whether or not a sign-in is required in your app. If it requires a sign-in, then you need to provide Apple, this review team, a demo username and password so that they can use this username and password to log in into your app and test the members feature, or say to test the login features. And if there's any special note that you want them to know about your app to help them review the app, you can enter the notes here, but this is optional. And again, if you need to send any attachment, you don't need to because it's optional, but if you want to, you can include any attachment. And that's all. Then you save it, and once you save it, this will be highlighted and this will be active, and then you submit this app for review. And once you have done that, Apple may take up to a week. In most of the cases, it gives you a decision of your app, whether it is approved or whether they want you to make some modifications to the app. So that kind of decision, it may take maybe 3 or 4 days for Apple, for the review team to provide you with the feedback. And if your app is approved, the app becomes available in the App Store, and that's what we call the app is live on App Store. So these are the basic steps that you need to take once we have uploaded your file into your Apple's developer account. Thank you.